We got a visitor coming. See if you can hear it. We'll pop in here in the screen in a second here. Coming for its yearly, one of the year cleanup. It gets a bath twice a year. Here it comes. There it is. The one and only Rat Attack in the house. Here it comes. And then for his yearly cleaning. There he is. Prowling over the Rat Attack. Kinda.
It lives.
First time it's been out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. It's not been out all year yet.
You're good. Telling everybody it's here for its one of its baths.
Yeah.
Gets a bath twice a year, no matter what.
Yep. Need it or not. Usually needs it.
Yeah. Getting it ready for the big show.
Put a sticker on
it. Might want to do that.
Yeah, it did.
All right.
Yep.
Tune you all in later.